so much fun? Are you having so much fun until you almost fall? I don't even need to tickle her, I just do this.
Is that fun, Avery?
Hey, Avery. Avery. What?
Give Daddy kisses.